Well, here we go again. I'm gonna show my mess. I'm not cleaning anything up. That's my engine hoist. Okay, I've done this before. This is not new to me. So let's take a look underneath this sheet here. It says old jet ski. This is a Yamaha 1000cc engine. It's a FX140 cruiser. And about a year ago, I started taking pieces off of it, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this engine out. It's got sand. It's got sand in the cooling system. So I got all these hoses back here. Okay, had the computer mechanism, had the computer right here. I took that out. Let's see. There it is right there. Okay, I'm trying to look through the viewfinder and talk at the same time. I took it cover off of that coupling there. Okay, so that's ready to come out. It's loose, in other words. I took out this this big chamber down here. Hold on, I'll show it to you. There it is. It's on the floor. Took that out. That had sand in it. Okay, took it off the muffler. I took, let's see. Did I take loose the hoses? Hold on, I can't see. Okay, I think the hoses are all loose. I'm gonna have to check into that. Maybe not. Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna break this video up. I'm gonna cut it off right here. Switch it off and switch it back.